So I have that and that. Yeah, let's get to work. Let's open her up. Now, time to trim her up.
Like that.
Now I'm just gonna go through this fat pile and get the good meat and toss the fat. And just like that, there goes all the fat. And this will be my burnt ends or whatever you do with that. And now it's time to start the dry rub. So I got the barbecue rub, some Cosmos, or some brisket magic. Normally I like taco seasoning. All this shit has the same ingredients as taco seasoning. But because I get so much slack from using taco seasoning, asshole, I'm gonna use one of these sorry ass. Shit, no mustard. No mustard, so I'm using some bacon fat.
Like that.
So I used some bacon grease, some Killer Hog barbecue rub, some chupacabra brisket magic, and some Worcestershire sauce.
Like that.
So rinsed it, cut it, trimmed it, dry rub with bacon fat, and foil wrap, plastic bag it, so I can put it in the refrigerator. If it leaks, oh well. My baby. All right, top of the morning. Let's get this thing started. First I gotta clean out this pit.
Like that. Like that.
Now I'm just gonna let it get at the temp. Now she's about 300. I'm gonna start closing her up and get the meat on.
Like that.
Time to put the meat on.
Like that.
Oh, and I forgot the most important piece of all. Thermometer. Let's see, where do I want to stick it? Let's go right here. Get in there, you. See you in about 5 hours. All right, back on the pit. It's see the time. Temp right now is 178. I didn't have much of a 165 or the stall. Don't know. I haven't opened it up yet. So it's been at 250 almost the whole time. Let's see. A little foggy. A little pooling. Oh, yeah, I need to add some water in there. So far, she a little jiggly. So I don't have any butcher paper. I'm gonna use this. Grilling wraps. They're pretty small, but we'll see how it goes. Now I'm gonna let it sit in there for another 2 hours or so, get it back up to 195. All right. 215, put the brisket in the pan, left it in the foil wrap, and I'm gonna let it sit in there for about an hour. All right, time to take her out. Effortless.
You put those together.
Ooh, that's a cool
They like
car.
putting stuff.
That's a
You've been sitting there
This
all
is
this
a
time.
transformer!
Yeah, how about that?